My topic is about linear support vector machine algorithm. And first of all, introduction to SVM. Support vector machine or SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithms which is used for classification as well as the regression problems which uses the labeled data. The goal of the SVM algorithm is to create the best fit line or decision boundary. That is nothing but the hyperplane that we create here. So the hyperplane can separate n-dimensional spaces into classes so that we can easily put the new data point into correct category in the future. So there are two types of SVM, linear SVM and non-linear SVM. Now we are going to talk about linear SVM. Linear SVM is used for linearly separable data, which means if a dataset can be classified into two classes by using a single straight line, then such data is termed as linear separable data. And look at the diagram here. So earlier we talked about hyperplane, so we have to create a hyperplane here between these two different types of data, diamond and circle shaped. So we can create a straight line in many number of ways, but how to choose the appropriate way? So the appropriate way to choose it is the we should select the hyperplane which is having maximized margin between the two nearest data points that are support vectors. So here are the nominals. So maximum margin, positive hyperplane, negative hyperplane, and support vectors. So our hyperplane is having the condition that is w into x plus b equals to 0, and negative hyperplane is having -1, and positive hyperplane is having 1. And this w is selected by choosing it. It should be the maximum. When 2 by w is maximum, then we should choose that w. And thank you.